Your home's doors do more than provide entry and exit. They protect your family, enhance energy efficiency, and add curb appeal. In Gainesville, where hot summers, humidity, and seasonal storms can take a toll, regular maintenance is essential to keep your doors in top shape. By following a few simple seasonal care tips, you can extend the lifespan of your doors, save money on repairs, and keep them looking their best year-round. Spring. Inspect and refresh after winter. Spring is the perfect time to give your doors a fresh start after the cooler months. Check weather stripping. Cold snaps and moisture can cause seals to crack or loosen. Replace damaged strips to keep your doors energy efficient. Clean thoroughly. Wash away dirt, pollen, and mildew buildup with mild soap and water. For wooden doors, use a wood-safe cleaner to protect finishes. Repaint or reseal if needed. Spring is a good time to touch up paint or apply a fresh sealant to protect against humidity as summer approaches. By addressing small issues early, you prepare your doors for the harsher weather to come. Summer. Protect against heat and humidity. Summers in Gainesville bring high temperatures and heavy humidity, both of which can cause warping, swelling, and fading. Lubricate hinges and locks. Heat and frequent use can cause hardware to stick. A silicone-based lubricant keeps doors opening smoothly. Check for warping. Wooden doors are especially prone to expansion in humid conditions. If you notice sticking or gaps, adjustments or resealing may be needed. Shield against UV rays. Direct sun can fade painted or stained finishes. Adding a protective coat or installing a storm door can help block UV exposure. Taking these steps keeps your doors functional and attractive throughout Gainesville's long, hot summer. Fall. Prepare for storms and cooler weather. Fall is hurricane season in Florida, and it's also when cooler evenings start to roll in. Preparing your doors during this time helps prevent storm damage and drafts. Inspect door frames. Look for cracks or gaps where water or wind could get in. Seal with caulk to keep out moisture and pests. Upgrade hardware. Strong locks and reinforced hinges provide extra security during storm season. Check glass inserts. If your door has decorative or functional glass, ensure seals are intact to prevent leaks during heavy rains. Fall maintenance gives you peace of mind that your doors are ready to withstand both storms and seasonal temperature swings. Winter. Protect against moisture and drafts. While Gainesville winters are mild compared to northern climates, cold snaps and rain can still stress your doors. Test for drafts. Run your hand along the edges of your door to feel for air leaks. Replace weather stripping where necessary. Keep doors dry. Rain and dampness can cause wood to swell or paint to peel. Use mats inside and out to reduce moisture exposure. Maintain garage and patio doors. Don't forget secondary entrances. Lubricate tracks on sliding doors and check garage door seals for winter efficiency. These small tasks help keep your home cozy and energy bills lower during cooler months. Year-round tips for door care. Some practices apply in every season. Clean regularly. Dust, dirt, and grime can wear down finishes and hardware. Tighten hardware. Screws in handles, hinges, and locks can loosen over time. Schedule professional inspections. A yearly check by a door professional ensures hidden issues are addressed before they become costly repairs. Final thoughts. Your doors are one of the hardest working features of your Gainesville home, facing constant exposure to Florida's weather. By following these seasonal maintenance tips, you'll extend their lifespan, improve performance, and maintain curb appeal year-round. From sealing and painting in spring to inspecting for storm readiness in fall, regular upkeep ensures your doors stay strong and beautiful for years to come. With a little effort and occasional help from professionals, you can protect your investment while enjoying greater comfort and peace of mind.